Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of 60 Second Seabird Science. My name is Grant. The biological fitness of a species is often used as a way of assessing population health. In the field, growth is often measured as a way of assessing fitness. However, growth can be heavily influenced by specific environmental conditions. This paper, published in Oecologia, aims to look at which specific environmental conditions affect the growth rate of black-legged kittiwake. Drew Sauve, the lead author, joins us to talk about their findings.
To understand the impacts of climate change on seabirds, we have to have a good understanding of the relationship between environmental conditions and a wide variety of seabird traits. In this study, we looked at growth of black-legged kittiwakes on Middleton Island in Alaska. We used a sliding window statistical approach to try to determine specific time periods in the breeding season that impact the growth of these birds. Generally, we found that warmer conditions resulted in poor growth, that is, slower nestling growth to a smaller size. We found that the first hatch nestlings were less impacted by these warmer conditions. We found that the second hatch nestlings were strongly and negatively impacted by these warmer conditions. And interestingly, we found that growth traits which are expressed earlier in growth tended to be impacted by environmental conditions earlier in the breeding season. Overall, we think our results suggest that not as many second hatch nestlings are going to be surviving into the future. We also think our study helps identify specific time periods that help predict what growth is going to look like for kittiwakes into the future.
Thanks for joining us today. You can find us on TikTok, Twitter, and on YouTube. And don't forget to follow along with Seabird Sessions, our live Seabird Science discussion group. Cheers, folks!